Hey guys, it's Arenaa. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So for today's video, I have a freshly squeezed orange makeup look. And if you want to see how to get this look, keep watching. So I'm going to start off by applying a little bit of primer, and this is the Izzard House Face Blur, and press it into my face. For foundation, I'm going to take a little bit of the 16 brand Guru Cream, and this one is in the shade Sand Beige. It actually comes with a spoolie, but I lost it, so I'm just going to go in with a concealer brush and dot this one all over my face. Buff it all out with my Real Technique Beauty Blender. This foundation has like a really nice sheen to it. It's like a little bit dewy while also having really good coverage, so I definitely do like to use it for looks like this. So I'm just going to take a little bit of the 16 brand finger pen in the color Light Beige. It's really janky, but whatever. I'm just going to pop some of this under my eyes. Oh my gosh. No. I just got foundation down my whole shirt. Oh my god. My concealer, because it just squirted out on me. And I'm going to blend that all out with my beauty blender. Guys, I tried to get it out, but I couldn't. No, my jumper has a concealer stain on it. This is why I can't have nice things, I swear. I literally stain everything. Okay, I'm just gonna continue on with the face. Let's ignore the stain on my jumper right now. But I'm just going to quickly set my face with a little bit of the Kat Von D translucent powder. I'm not going to bake just because I can't be stopped. So next I'm going to jump into the eyes, and I'm taking the Izzard House Play Color Eye Palette in the shade Juice Bar, which is the orange one. And this look is really simple. It's pretty much just like two shades. Well, one shade and then a bit of glitter. But I'm taking this orange color, and I'm going to go in with my finger just because I feel like with Korean eyeshadows it's so much more pigmented when you use fingers. And I'm literally just going to pop this one all over my lids. I feel like this orange is so pretty because it has like a duochrome gold in it. So it's like orange with gold flecks, and I feel like that's absolutely gorgeous. It's a little bit of a pinky orange, but I feel like it just makes it a little bit more wearable. I'm going to take a little buffer brush, so a little fluffy brush, and blend out the edges a little bit just so it has like a little bit more of a seamless finish. I'm just going to go in with a flat brush and take a little bit of that same orange color, pop it on my under eyes just to kind of balance out the eye look a little. I really do tend to like one color eyeshadow looks. I mix them sometimes if I want a little bit more dimension, but I love just like one wash of color all over the eyes. I feel like it's so simple and it looks really great, especially when it's a bright color. I like to bring my eyeshadow up like relatively high just because when I wear falsies, I feel like you can't see my eyeshadow if it's not high enough. So I'm just gonna drag it up a little bit. Next I'm gonna go into the Hollycolour Milky Girl shadow palette. I'm just gonna take a little bit of this shimmer shade just over here, this one, and take that also on my fingers and pop that on top of the orange just for a little bit more glitter. I always add like more glitter. If you've watched all my other videos, I always do this. But yeah, it just adds a little bit more sparkle and I love that. I'm gonna go pretty heavy with this, to be honest. I'm also gonna grab a little bit on the same flat brush that I was using before and just do the same thing to my under eyes. I'm just going to quickly take a yellow metallic crayon and line my waterline. This one's the Izzard House Bling Bling eye stick. I like to do this just to open the eyes up a little bit more. I feel like it just opens them and makes the eyes look a lot brighter. And then something that I also like to do is add a little bit more glitter to the inner corners. So this one is the Izzard liquid eyeliner in the shade Silver 27. And you don't have to do this. I just like having a lot of glitter on my eyes, as you can tell. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this and pop it in the inner quarters of my eyes and kind of drag it to the center a little bit, just for a little bit more bling bling. I'm just going to give myself a tiny wing, and I'm using the Heroin Mask Smooth Liquid Eyeliner in Kiss Me, and I'm just going to try and keep this as thin as I can. To complete the eye look, I'm just going to pop on a pair of lashes, and these ones are Glam by Manicure in the style Alessandra. While that dries, I'm just going to pop on some mascara, and I'm taking the Kevyn Aucoin Volume Mascara and popping this on my lower lashes. Now that the eyes are complete, I'm just going to quickly finish off my face. So I'm going to take a little bit of bronzer and I'm going to warm up the sides of my cheeks. I would normally contour, but I kind of wanted like a really warm, beachy glow for this look. That's why I'm going to bronze instead of contour. Balance out my face by adding a little bit of warmth to my forehead. And I'm also going to use it to contour my nose. Carve out the sides of my nose ever so slightly. So next I'm taking another 16 brand finger pen, and this one is in the shade Orange, and I'm going to use this, please don't squirt on me, to kind of color in my lips. But I'm going to take my finger to buff it out a bit. I'm going to take this lip shade by Izzard House called Very Delicious. I'm not too sure exactly what shade it is because it's in Korean and I can't read Korean, but I'm just going to dab it on the center of my lips, and this is like a true orange. Whenever I wear this, my brother always says it looks like I just ate spicy food. But I'm only going to take the slightest bit of it and blend it into a 16 brand finger pen. That's like a good shade of orange, I reckon. Not too orange, but like a nice wearable orange. I'm going to go back in with the 16 brand finger pen and dot this on my cheeks. This was the shade that got me really into blush, because I used to never wear blush, and then I put this on my cheeks in the 16 brand video that I filmed. Well, that's a lot. And I like absolutely loved how it looked, and then ever since then I started wearing blush. That's a bit too much, so I'm just gonna go over it with my beauty blender that I used for my foundation just to make it a little bit more subtle. So this is my completed freshly squeezed orange makeup look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!